How to report a bug in Mint? First of all, the best way to report a bug in Mint is by visiting their official website at mint.intuit.com. Then, head to the Resource tab at the top of the page. Then select the Support option from the drop-down menu. Click on Support to open the Mint Help Center, where you can search for existing articles and troubleshooting guides that might already cover the issue you are facing. Next, if you don't find a solution, look for the Contact Us link within the Help Center. Here you will find their contact number to reach out. You can call this number to report your bug directly and get help from Mint support team. Make sure when reporting the bug to provide details like what you were doing when the bug appeared, any error messages, and the browser or device you are using. This helps the team diagnose and fix the issue faster. And that's it. Now you know how to report a bug in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.